How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Now, some of you guys have been asking, is ExpressVPN really the best VPN? Well, it depends on what you mean by the best VPN. If you're just looking for a VPN that unblocks streaming services, for example, you can go with Nord and Surfshark. Nord and Surfshark are still some of the best VPNs you can get out there. But today we're talking about ExpressVPN. And by the way, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. You'll find it in the top 3 VPNs video down below. Okay, so today I want to talk about ExpressVPN though. Now, it is, in my opinion, the best VPN in terms of privacy and anonymity. And it is just, even with regards to speed and streaming and security features, I mean, you don't really have many features. You just have the necessary features such as the kill switch and split tunneling and a handful of protocols. But in terms of streaming and torrenting, of course, you can stream and torrent to your heart's content. No bandwidth limits, nothing like that. And in terms of streaming specifically, it's actually one of the most, if not the most reliable, because even during the Netflix crackdown on VPN traffic, ExpressVPN was still able to bypass the geo restrictions imposed by Netflix. So ExpressVPN is definitely one of the most, if not the best, at unblocking streaming services. And you have so many locations, at 94 locations and over 3,000 servers. So definitely just a very well-rounded VPN service. Now, why I think it's the best in terms of privacy is simply because they have independent audit reports to show that they do uphold the no logs policy, and that they're available for the public. You can read the full report. They all result in great standing. So yeah, a lot of VPNs claim a no logs policy, and they don't really have any evidence to back it up. But with ExpressVPN, you have plenty of evidence and even real life examples, which I'm about to get into in just a second. Of course, they have the trusted server technology, which uses RAM disk drives rather than hard drives. And what that means is that there are no hard drives to operate the servers on. So nothing can be stored because there are no hard drives in the first place. And whatever little information is stored on the what little space these RAMs have will be wiped with every machine reboot, which takes place quite often as these servers are maintained. Okay, another reason why I think ExpressVPN's privacy policy is the best is in 2017, this case right here, in 2017, when the Turkish government seized an ExpressVPN server to extract any information, but they were not able to extract anything thanks to the true no logs policy of ExpressVPN. And very recently, ExpressVPN moved their servers out of India so that they do not comply with the government's the data retention laws, because they were asking ExpressVPN to retain data, and ExpressVPN, of course, it's against their privacy policy, so they just moved the servers out. So as you can tell here, ExpressVPN refuses to participate in the Indian government's attempts to limit internet freedom, the company said after shifting its servers out of the country. And of course, I'm able to access the Netflix US. I'm not in the United States, but I'm able to access it because I'm connected to the New York server. So that is why, in my opinion, in terms of privacy and anonymity, ExpressVPN is definitely the best. But if you're simply looking to unblock streaming services and just looking for a good, well-rounded VPN that's a little bit cheaper, then NordVPN and Surfshark work very well. Again, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Keep in mind that all these VPNs do have a 30-day money-back guarantee no matter which plan you go for, and they have 24/7 live chat support. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.